welcome back to my channel. My name is Amari, and if you're new here, thank you for checking out my video and make sure you subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. I truly appreciate you. Today's video is going to be about how you can do market research to increase your Etsy sales. So let's get right into it. First, I want to let you know that I am using Google Chrome, and that will be important when we talk about something later in the video. But right now I'm going to research bridesmaid information card because this is one of my top selling products, and I'm always doing market research to determine how I can increase my sales. So right now I'm looking at my competitors. My posting is further down in the page, and that just says a lot. That means I have more competitors, and I have to figure out how I can compete with these people and make sure I'm still standing out. A lot of them are simplistic, minimalist looking designs, and that is really popular right now and really trendy. So that is something that I'm taking in mind for my next product. And as you can see, this posting is really organized well because it has a lot of images that not only show you what you're getting, you have videos, it'll show you how to edit it, and it just lets you know or assures the customer that this product is easy to edit and worth buying. And so right here they explain details of how to use the product, how to download it, what's important about it, and that way they don't have any questions and they can learn everything they need to know from the post. And that's extremely important because you don't want 1,000 messages, inboxes of people asking questions and not being sure about your product. You want to answer it right up front. So this shop does a great job at that. And I'm just highlighting a lot of the words that make the post, stand out and what customers are saying. It was a simplistic design. They had matching products that they could go to and say they wanted an invitation to match this template. They can go and find that in this shop. And so I really took notes from that. Easy to edit. Like a lot of people, they just want something easy and quick, something that will not take them a lot of time and not be too hard to deal with. So these are all things you have to take into account when posting a product like this. Easy to use, once again, easy to modify, all key things that people are happy about when it comes to this post. And then I'm even paying attention to the side and the type of things that they have in their description, what's in their title. I look at all of these things. So you just want to make sure you look at everything when you're doing your market research. What makes these other shops successful? Sometimes you have to look at people who are doing better than you to learn from them. And this is what I really do. And so I'm just looking at their shop. It's very simplistic, clean, nice looking. And so I really like that about this shop. They have 308,000 sales, over 308,000. So this is someone you can definitely learn from. This one really stood out to me. They have really good mock-up looks in their posting, so I really like that. They're pricing their item a little bit below the competitors. That's another strategy. A lot of people starting out, they do a cheaper price so that people are more drawn to the post, and then over time, as they get more sales, they raise their price a little bit. And I actually did that myself. And then as I got more sales, I started to raise my price. So more keywords. They had other images that match these. They had other products that match this product. So that's something people really like. Excellent customer service. So people really pay attention to how you treat them, what your shop looks like, the type of words you use, and they want to make sure that you have good customer service. So that is really important. They have a how it works page. Once again, you're breaking everything down and showing people exactly what they're getting and how to use it. And she made this posting really personable because she put a picture of herself in there and then her name. She signed it. It's really cute, and it makes this really personable and relatable to the customer. Some of the newer shops, I like to look at what they're doing too. I never count anyone out. So I like how they use the colors in this design and the images that they use. So I never, count any of my competitors out. I always look at what everyone's doing so that I can always improve. And so someone called their posting beautiful, and I really do think it's eye-catching. So that's why I clicked on that one. So as you can see, this item is becoming more popular. I really like this posting because of the colors. It really popped. It really drew me towards this posting. And I like how they really designed this one. So a lot of times I just, take in all of the different things that everyone is doing. So I liked how they had a warm colored example and then like a pastel color example. And then here on this image, you can see that they give you a lot of information. They let you know that you can edit the wording, the font, the text color, the background colors. They tell you the dimensions, and then they also tell you how and where you can print their product. And so I thought this was really helpful, and I'm actually going to try to create something like this for my posting. Learn is when you do include a video in your posting, people are more drawn towards that, and it will make them want to click on it because you have something that they can interact with, something that'll show them exactly what they're going to buy. So that is really important when you're listing a template like this. If you want to stand out, include a video, include instructions on how they can get to the product, how they can edit the product, and how they can print it as well. This is the video that I was telling you about earlier. So this is the video I created, and it's just showing them how easily it is to upload images, change images, take the background off, and just put in their own personalized images. And then this is kind of like my guide for people. I think I do want to change the font. I want it to be a little more eye-catching, but I did create this so that people can get a breakdown of how to use the template. And then I also created the little text there so that it can read it and it'll stand out. Okay, now I'm going to go to Google Chrome, and we're going to use this Google Chrome extension called EverBee. If you go to everbee.com, it will tell you how you can add this extension onto Google Chrome. And this is a market research tool where you can see what are the top sellers, what keywords are they using, and about how many sales they're making a month. So right now I'm typing in the bridesmaid information card, and it's going to show me the top shops and sellers and how much they're making, what keywords they're using, and just how successful these shops are. And I think this is a really cool tool. You do have to pay for it. I will insert the price. They do have a free version, but I think if you want to search more titles, a certain amount of titles, then you have to, get the subscription and pay for that. And so right now, this is a really successful shop. They've had over 288,000 sales. And once again, it has a simplistic design. So let's take a look at a few more postings. So this one says bestseller, so obviously they're doing something right. And I just like to see what words are they using in their title. Instructions were clear. I try to look at their descriptions as well. It says purchase, personalize, and print within minutes. So that's something that could really stick out for people. If they know that they can edit it quickly and get the results quickly, that's something that may make them want to buy it. And now if I click on analytics, it'll show me how old the post is, how many favorites, how many sales, and how much they've made per month. And this is an estimation. It could be a little higher than this. From what I've learned, from this, that sometimes people's sales are a little higher than what this lists, because I've looked at my own. And this posting is only 5 months. And I'm looking at the key tags that they're using that people are clicking on to find this product. And this is how I kind of go back, gather my information, and take it back and kind of learn and grow my own shop. And so now I'm going back to my own listing, And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some keywords that I saw. Sometimes you may forget. And so right then and there, I'm going to find ways to improve my own listing. And I'm going to add a few key tag words that I saw, very similar to the other posting that we just looked at. If you want to learn how to create a posting, I do have a video specifically for that, so check it out. So I actually received an email from EverBee. Sometimes they will send you emails just talking about popular items that are really a big hit lately. And it says something about sunflower SVG. So that really stood out to me. So I said, let me do a little research on that. So now I'm going to take you all along with me to do some of that research so you can see just how successful some of these sunflower products are. This first posting, which is a bestseller, it's a bundle. And so that means you have a lot of images in one. I'm not quite there yet. I'm trying to do one image a day. And so I want something that is not necessarily a bundle, but I want to see how other images are selling. And I'm just filling it out, taking a look. This one with butterflies is a bestseller. It's really eye-catching, different. That's the key. You want something that is a little different that they can't find anywhere else. And so now I'm just going down, and then I'm looking at the best posts. Like this one is a post full of frames. And now we're going to do the analytics. We're going to see which shops are actually selling these images and are successful at doing it. It's taking a little while. By the way, I hope you all are having a good day today. Okay, so we got some results here. As you can see, this person, the top person, has sold like 470 of that image in 1 month. This one is a really top seller. 6,481 sales of this image, and it's really simple. So I'm telling you, if you create something that people want to put on their items, you can be a top seller. And as you can see, what stood out in this posting is that they have videos, they have examples of items with their image. And so that gives people ideas of what they can do with their image. So that's something that I'm really going to try to improve on, like actually incorporating photos and videos that people take with my image. And it's just $1. But guess what? If you sell over 2,000 of this one image, you've made over $2,000. So don't feel like you have to overprice your images as well. It can be something as cheap as $1. And as you can see, they show the different types of files that they sell for this image. They ask you to rate their shop. And over time, if you give them a rating or if you favorite their shop, that's only going to improve their shop over time. So I like how they put that in the posting for someone to see first thing. And now let's go back and look at a few more. So the next one that really stood out to me, let's see. If you just look, like some of these are really successful. Like this one, they've sold over 617 in the last month. And they give you real life examples. So they have earrings, they have ornaments, things with their image. And so you can take it a step further than just posting the actual image. Post a product that stands out and that people can see themselves making. And then this next one, they've sold over 2,944 of this image. And it literally is simple. It says love with a sunflower in the middle. So that I'm telling you guys, you all can create these types of images. All it is taking a simple program and moving around images and letters to create something that people will really see themselves making. A lot of t-shirt companies, they're always looking for new designs, new images to incorporate into their t-shirts, their business. Maybe they create stickers, and they're always looking for images like this that are easy and that will sell. Sometimes people like simple and less is more. So if you look at this product, it's not that bad. It's $1.49. So it's something that's really cheap, but really cute and simple, and people are really buying it. It's extremely popular. So if you can see yourself creating simple images like this, you can truly be successful in the digital product world, and you can have a successful Etsy shop. And so you just have to keep pushing, doing your market research, and really believing that you can do it. And if there's anything that you're more interested in and you want to learn about, let me know down in the comment section below.